Welcome back to KSX Auto. In today's episode, we'll be taking the 240 here to Southampton Motor Speedway, my second ever competition. We are running late, so let's get on the road. We got about an hour and a half drive down south, and let's get to the track. Southampton Motor Speedway out in the boonies. Alright, what's up guys? We made it to the track. We got tech inspected. Track just went hot. It's so hot out here. I think I've sweat more in the past 2 days than I have this whole month. It's crazy. I feel like I'm curing a hangover right now. As I cool down, we'll get out on track, feel it out. The layout looks a little interesting. Just to mimic clutch kickers down in Florida, if anyone's familiar. But I'm excited. I got brand new mounted front tire, so I'm interested to see how that feels. I'm gonna start the day out on these 16s, so it might be a little loose. We have 4 sets of 17s we can swap to throughout the day, so let's get out there. Alright, we're gearing up. First time out on track. Just gonna feel it out. We're on 16s, so we don't have a lot of grip in the car. First lapse on these front sets of tires, so I'm just gonna take it easy, feel everything out, and then go from there. Oh, it's hot out here. Apparently the entry is pretty fast on this layout. What happened here? Alright, I'm gonna give a little insight to what's going through my head on this sight lap here. But I'm kind of just running up, kind of sussing out this first corner. It's gonna be second gear. Seeing where the puddles are at. It's definitely gonna play a role in these first couple of laps, especially this one right here. Kind of feel the car out. And going around this last corner, kind of mentally preparing myself and giving it a shot. It's nookie over there. You can see the puddles everywhere. It gets really patchy, so it grips up here when it was just loose a second ago. this smoking, dude. I thought we were on fire for a second. I did a burnout in my pit area by accident.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do.
Dude, I just got scared. I saw this smoking. I don't know if you can tell, but I saw this smoking, dude. I thought we were on fire for a second. It is brutal out here, man. Only like 90 degrees, but it's muggy as hell. Car's doing really good. I'm still on my same set of tires. I just gotta cool it down after every couple of laps. It's just really hot. Back to smoking out of their oil cooler. Damn, it's hot out here, dude.
Bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel.
So unfortunately, no comp today. There's not enough drivers. There's only 4 people signed up for comp, including me. So they decided to cancel comp today. And hopefully next event they'll have a better turnout, which sucks. But oh well, we'll still have a fun day. I think I'm about to go kill these set of tires. I've been on. Oh, what the f did I hit? What the hell? Probably got maybe 2 sessions left on them, and then kill these, which are already pretty hurt. And probably pack up and get out of here. It is so hot out here, it's ridiculous. It's a struggle bus. But we're out here, we're doing it. Getting seat time, so that's all you can ask for. Just did my first tire change. It's 5 o'clock now. It's on the same set of tires since I drove down like 11, so 5 hours. I do think I might have f***ed up. I put the lug nut on a little crooked and hit it with the impact, but I only tapped it, so only the first thread there that you can see stripped. I'm gonna try to fix the thread in here with a file. If that doesn't work, we're gonna send it with 4 lugs. So I'm gonna burn up these sets of tires here. I'm loading up and getting out of here, cause man. Oh no, I don't know if you can tell. It's starting to get a little cloudy out. I think I'm just gonna go out for a session on these rims and then pack up and call it a day before it starts raining. I get rained out because I really don't want to be loading up in this grass in the rain.
The shadow rises down.
I was just checking the tightness on my ratchet straps. We're missing a bolt right there. Oh, we got the other one. Definitely don't have that one. We still have our intercooler bolts. Those fell out last time. That's cool. Just like that, we're all packed up. 6 o'clock now. Wasn't a full day, but again, it's about to rain. Thank God the clouds covered some of the sun, because it's not as bad out. Putting all that up with the sun blistering really sucks. Now we just gotta get home, and hopefully it doesn't start raining on our way back. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Click the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments down below. See you in the next one. Peace! See if she turns on. Uh-oh. What are you doing? What the? Is there a safety because it's not plugged in?